Can't find my phone stands. I can't find a ring light. So this is the best I can do, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna tell you what I did today. I'm trying to make myself look like a human again. Hold on. I took like a brush that was like stiff. I'm just gonna do it again. And I really contoured my face like this. And down a little bit. Okay? Like that. You see how it makes it look like more like defined? That's what I did. Okay? I'm trying to make myself look like a regular human. I'm gonna show you another trick. Then of course I'm gonna do like all here. Okay? And then make sure you get here. I did this already, so that's why I'm not doing it perfect. But you know what I'm saying? Okay, hold on, I'll show you something else. Once you do that, take your brush and go up, 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 baby, up, baby, up. Up, up, up. You know the song. Some of you know, some of you don't. Get them. Get it all up in there. Now I'm going to show you something else. Okay, look. Let me find something. Hold up. Wait a minute. And I'm going all the way around my lips. Look, this is how you create a shadow so you can look like Angelina Jolie. Because she's thebomb.com. In the looks category, I really don't know her as a human. Because I don't pay attention. She's flipping gorge. I know that. All right. Okay, now, everyday makeup routine. I never said that, did I? But this is like everyday makeup routine when you really look like C to the R to the A to the P. Like me. Okay. Boom. Nose. Pop that nose. Skinny up that nose. Because mine is a little bit wide. So we go like this. Do, connected, la, la. And always do this. Gives you like a youthful look. Look at my filter moving. Whatever, I'm not doing this without a filter. I don't even have a flipping ring light, so you just forget it. All right. Boom it. Hold on. When you've successfully made yourself look like a corpse bride, then we are going to brighten up the rest of the daggum face where we want things to pop instead of recede. Because see, corpse bride. Good. Now, next, get yourself some concealer. Okay? We're going to conceal or brighten the parts we want people to notice. Get the sides. I'm going to blendy blend. Just let me blendy blend. Doon, 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 doon. La, 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 la. Okay, this is my favorite stuff. I don't know if it's still in my store. It's old as hell. Okay, it's in my store. I don't know if they still make it, though. It's so good. I got to go order more. And if it's in there, if you guys want it, check it out. But it's the bomb. Advanced Radiance Press Powder. So it's like a little bit radiant, and then I just kind of lock in all the places I wanted highlighted. It's actually like probably one of those, it performs like one of those expensive ones. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. That's all from that shadow. Ah! Okay, now what I'm going to do is just my eyes. Now, I didn't put anything on them as of yet. And I'm deciding what I want to do. Since I'm keeping this like an everyday, I'll do what I do every day. So, same color that I went, I actually, and here's another thing. If you want to really look super snatched, which I might do for you guys later, is take like a super, like almost like a black and go right here just a little bit. Ah, corpse bride. Okay, boom it. This is just my bronzer. It's like my contour bronzer. And I'm just going to go in the crease. It's, let's be serious, guys. I don't do anything special. And by the way, let's not get too crazy with the makeup. I understand everyone's makeup crazed and blah-biddy-boppity-boo. But you got to have some sort of basic thing you do because you all these things these girls do on the internet, let me tell you something right now. You're going to look like a clown when you walk out there like that. Unless you are a makeup artist. Even they look crazy. In the real world. But in, on camera, it's great. Okay, now we are going to, that is bronzer, Physician's Formula. I'm just going to go pack, packity-doo, pack, packity-doo, like that. Doo-doo. Okay, packity-doo, Oh, I'm looking at myself in a real mirror. Looking kind of snatched, honey. This is really hard to do, by the way. Okay, I forgot to do this. Just a little sweep. Just a little general sweep. This is like my real bronzer. You guys know I use this, most of you, unless you're new. If you're new, welcome. Now, best product on the planet is nudestix. Girl, you better get you some. If you buy anything, get this right here. It's just fabulous. You'll see. Don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. And it's a cream. And then I just go like this over the top. Or I just go like this. Whatever. And this is when things start to come together. Now I'm just going to blend. I just go like this. That's it. That's it. So simple. And then boom, boom. Mm-hmm. Okay, you don't have to do this perfectly. All I did was take my black liner and I just kind of put it all on the top. And then a very little bit in the bottom. Like that. And then just kind of blink, blink, blink. And now I'm going to put some eyebrows and that. Eyebrows. I go like this because it can clump. I like the Ulta. And I just go doom. And then I brush them up. Like that. And then just like that. I'm going to do the other side too. I don't do the pencil and all that. I guess sometimes. Not too often. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Get yourself some of these. They come in like a pack of a zillion. And then you just, brush them up a little bit more. And then make sure there's no clumpies. Then there's no clumpies and then it's brushed up. Keep them brushed up because they go down naturally. So you don't have to push them down. This is my favorite. Bang. Bad girl bang. If I feel like curling my eyelashes, I do it. If I don't, I don't. I don't feel like it. So I just go like this. That's it. You know what to do. Let's do a little highlight action. A little highlight action. Like that. Okay? That's what I do. Okay, a little bit of no filter action. So here's where we're at right now. Now we don't have a filter, so you can see how it looks. I'm going to blend a little bit more here. It's going to look really good. Let's go back. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm kind of like done, pretty much, except for lipstick. I'm going to blend a little bit more. And now if I wanted to make this even more, like more chiseled, I would take a dark color. Like it could even be an eyeshadow color dark. I think I need to fix this up. And then you just kind of do like, let me just pretend because I don't really need it today, but actually I am filming. I probably should do it, but whatever. Just a little bit of black here, a tiny bit. But I'm just going to do a little bit more contouring and then I'm going to do my lips setting spray and then I'm going to do my lipstick. Okay. This is the best setting spray. I don't care what anyone says, the best one. Morphe. It's the finest mist ever. And if you overdo your makeup, it just goes all into your skin and you look really good. Okay, finale time. Lipstick. I'm going to use my favorite lip liner in the world. I buy these in a 3-pack, 5-pack, 7-pack. I go through them that much. They're in my Amazon store. Everything is in my Amazon store except the Ulta Brow Tint. That's it. That's the only thing that's on there. Okay. This is the best color for me and most humans. Not all humans, but most humans. I don't know what it is. It just looks good on all my girlfriends. Every single one of them, they wear it. And I'm like, girl, you look good, honey. Okay. And just do your best to stay in the lines. My grandma always says I don't stay in the lines. It's fine. Even if you don't, what's going to happen? Nothing. You're still going to live. Okay, look. Get all up in your business. I do the whole entire mouth. And I get color it in. Now pick your color. Pick your color, baby. Let's do this. do whatever you want, what you want with your body. This color goes with everything. I'm not even playing with you. So I feel like I want to do a little darker. You know what I normally wear, Huda Beauty, Rendezvous. But I think I'm going to go do a little bit darker today. First Kiss. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I don't know why. It's a little bit 90s, a little bit rock and roll, a little bit Melissa Joe Real Recipe. Let's take a little sunlight, look-see, look-see, looky-looky, looky-looky. Half Corpse Bride, half Florida Girl, half Fabulous, 100% hot